10 Best Healthy Snacks for Weight Loss. Trying to lose weight? Snacking is an effective way to manage your appetite and prevent overeating at mealtimes. Plus, healthy snacks go hand in hand with a sensible and healthy weight loss plan. However, purposeful snacking used to control appetite, maintain energy levels and boost nutrient intake can be an important weight loss tool. Try these 10 dietitian-approved weight loss-friendly snacks. 1. Edamame beans. A good source of satiating protein, these little beans are a great snack to bridge the gap between lunch and dinner. To prepare, boil for about 5 minutes, and serve with chili flakes or ground black pepper and a squeeze of lemon juice for some added zing. 2. Soup. A chunky soup loaded with vegetables and beans or legumes will tick off both nourishment and satiety, and is a great way of getting 1 or 2 of your 5 a day. Skip the side of bread when having soup as a snack. 3. Spicy chickpeas. Prepare some spicy roasted chickpeas and pop in a sandwich bag for a great on-the-go snack. Chickpeas are high in dietary fiber, which is important for weight loss as it is digested slowly by the body, helping to keep you fuller for longer. To prepare, toss chickpeas with olive oil, and season to taste with salt, garlic salt, and cayenne pepper. Spread on a baking sheet, and bake for 30 to 40 minutes, until browned and crunchy. 4. Apple crunch. Slice an apple into wedges and thinly spread some protein-rich nut butter on top. Peanut or almond butter are both delicious. Sprinkle with sunflower or pumpkin seeds for added hunger-busting fiber. 5. Hard-boiled egg. Eggs are incredibly filling and one of the best snacks for taming a belly growl. They are a fantastic source of protein and an array of vitamins and minerals. Eggs can be prepared in advance and kept in the fridge for when hunger strikes. 6. Smoothie. Smoothies provide a great option for when you're really hungry, as the volume fills up the stomach, giving that sense of fullness. Adding a protein component such as ground flaxseed or unsweetened yogurt will ensure that you remain satisfied until your next meal. 7. Handful of raw nuts. Rich in protein, fiber and fat, the combination of which provides your body with sustained energy, whilst keeping your appetite satisfied. A portion of nuts is around 30 grams, 2 tablespoons. Choose the unsalted variety, and avoid having the whole bag open on the desk as this can easily lead to mindless eating. 8. Crudités and dip. Make a simple, protein-rich dip by combining Greek yogurt with a sprinkling of cumin, chili powder and a squeeze of lime. Have a tub of ready chopped carrots, cucumber and peppers in the fridge and you're good to go. 9. Italian popcorn. Popcorn is a slow energy release whole grain high in fiber and low in calories, making it a weight loss friendly alternative to crisps that's simple to prepare at home. Put in a snap block sandwich bag and flavor with some dried Italian herbs and a little Parmesan for a pizza-like flavor. 10. Banana and peanut butter. Cut a small banana in half lengthwise, spread with half a tablespoon of peanut butter, and top with the other half of banana. This will satisfy a sweet tooth, whilst delivering both fiber and protein, and makes a great post-exercise snack. If you like our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel. By clicking subscribe button then tapping the bell icon. So you will be the first to know when we post the new videos.